Once hidden in the back of the house, now the center of everyday life. How did the kitchen go from purely functional to fabulous? Let's take a look back and a step forward. Hi, I'm Sofia Alonso Wolf with AV Architects and Builders. Today's kitchen is so much more than a place to cook. It's where life happens. It's where your kids do homework, your friends gather during parties, and you start and end every day. But it wasn't always this way. There was a time when kitchens were hidden behind closed doors and never a design priority. In this video, we're exploring the evolution of the kitchen decade by decade and how it transformed from a closed-off workspace to the heart of the modern home. Kitchens in the 60s and 70s, purely practical. Let's rewind to the 1960s and 70s. Back then, the kitchen was designed for one thing: utility. It was usually small, closed off, and tucked away, not really meant to be seen or shared. Design wasn't really a factor. It was about keeping the mess out of sight, not necessarily making the space beautiful or social, and definitely not about creating a wow moment when you walk through the front door. This was the era of the kitchen as a behind-the-scenes operation. 80s and 90s, bigger and bolder. Then came the 1980s and 90s. Suddenly, kitchens got louder, bigger, flashier, and often way more extravagant. There were lots of ornate details and shiny finishes. Some even had dramatic archways and oversized cabinetry. Layouts were starting to open up a little, like to connect with nearby dining areas, but they were still more about looks than lifestyle. And while the square footage grew, the function didn't always follow. But this era marked an important turning point. We were beginning to see the kitchen as more than just a work zone. 2000s, the birth of the great room. With the arrival of the new millennium, the concept of the great room emerged, blending the kitchen with living and dining areas into a cohesive, open space. Walls came down, islands got bigger, seating areas were added. The kitchen became a place to entertain, to connect, and to anchor the home. Design started to prioritize both beauty and function. And with that shift, homeowners began to invest more time, attention, and budget into their kitchens than ever before. How kitchen design shaped the rest of the home. As the kitchen moved to center stage, it brought the rest of the house along with it. Design choices in the kitchen began to influence adjacent spaces, color palettes, finishes, and flooring. Open layouts meant your kitchen had to match the living and dining areas, creating a more cohesive feel throughout. And when it came to home renovations, kitchens took the lead, often getting the lion's share of the budget and attention. Today's kitchen, connected, customized, and complete. Fast forward to today, the modern kitchen is a multifunctional hub designed to support how we live right now. Forget the one-size-fits-all triangle. Today's kitchen are built around task zones. A prep station near the fridge and the pantry, a cleanup station focused around the sink and dishwasher, and a cooking station centered on the range and oven. Modern kitchens also accommodate so much more: homework, Zoom calls, coffee chats, entertaining and hosting, as well as everyday connection. They're designed not just for cooking, but for living. The kitchen's enduring role, from hidden corners to open concepts. The kitchen has come a long way. It's gone from a utilitarian space to a thoughtful, intentional centerpiece. And at AV Architects and Builders, we believe it will always be more than just a room. The kitchen is where life gathers. It's where design meets experience, and it will always be the heart of the home. So if you're thinking about a kitchen that feels less like a workspace and more like a place you actually want to spend time in, let's talk. You can schedule a discovery call or visit our learning center for more inspiration. We're here to help you design smarter and live better. And of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss what's next from the residential architects. We'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!